The rainforests that we share our planet with are some of the most remarkable places on Earth. The diversity of life found within them is truly staggering, with between 50 to 80% of all species living on the planet found within rainforests. Sadly, we are losing our rainforests. Every minute, 40 football fields worth of forest are destroyed, mainly for agricultural purposes. Rainforests play a variety of roles, from helping produce fresh water to providing 20% of the oxygen that we breathe, from producing over a quarter of elements found within modern medicines to helping reduce the impacts of climate change. Rainforests do so much for us that we don't even realise. Now, it's our turn to help look after them. Today, on World Rainforest Day, let's make a start. Only together can we make a difference.